In the heart of the great savannah where thunder meets silence lived two kings, one of the hunt, one of the herd. They shared no words, only warnings. One hunted to live, the other lived to defend. Yet both, deep inside, carried the same wound: loneliness. Strength without purpose is a cage. Peace without understanding is fear disguised. And in that storm, instinct drowned in water, and something impossible began. Hold on, little one, a lion saving prey. The sun must have lost its way. Sometimes the wild does not break its rules, it rewrites them. So the king of teeth now guards grass-eaters. What's next? Eagles swimming with fish. Do not mock what you don't understand. The flood spares no kingdom, only those who learn to share the shore. Word spread across plains and branches. Some saw betrayal, others saw courage, but no one saw what was truly happening. Two hearts beginning to share one rhythm. Your strength lies not in horns, but in unity, and yours not in teeth, but in restraint. Between predator and prey a strange peace bloomed, fragile as morning dew. Yet not all hearts welcomed this dawn. Peace between hunter and hunted. That breaks the order, and when order breaks, chaos feasts. The savannah began to mirror the world of men, where peace itself can be a threat to those who profit from division. You protect them while we starve. I protect life, not lines drawn by fear. And so, the lion was exiled from his pride, and the buffalo from his herd. Two hearts, once divided by nature, now united by loss. Perhaps we were fools, Rudo. The world doesn't change by kindness. Then let us die as fools who tried. And as dust rose like prayer, the lion roared not for hunger, but for heartbreak. Nature wept that morning, not for the fallen, but for the truth they left behind, that strength and gentleness are not enemies, but reflections. In the end, the lion and the buffalo shared not just a heart, but a legacy, one that beat beyond fear, beyond instinct, beyond the wild itself. True power is not in dominance, but in the courage to share your heart. In every kingdom, of claws, wings, or words, the question remains: who truly rules? The one who conquers, or the one who understands?